Good morning and welcome to this vlog where I'm trying something new. You might actually have noticed that I'm speaking in English now, and that is just because I feel like when I'm here it feels a little bit weird not trying to speak in English and not being inclusive to all the people who can't understand Danish. I'm trying, let me know if you think it works. So, this vlog is gonna be a little vlog about our surf trip because today we are going on a surf trip. We're gonna be picked up by our surf school. They're gonna be taking us to several different places where we can surf and where we can learn in beginner-friendly waves. So, for this trip, we're not gonna be bringing so much, but I have decided to bring a few items with me. This one is like a rash guard that is a little bit cropped. This bikini, it's great for surfing because it's like very high waist. And then I have this one. It's like a surf suit. So it's actually like full kind of bodysuit and it has long sleeves. And then of course I'm gonna bring some zinc. And then I have this sunscreen, which is like a mineral sunscreen and it's reef safe and natural, really good. I'm gonna be bringing some items, like beauty items with me, a pair of flip-flops, and then my chargers. Into this like little hotel room we're gonna be staying in, but after a long drive there's literally no water in the room, so we need to seriously get some water now. And we also haven't eaten since breakfast, so we're really hungry and we're going surfing in 3/4. We need to go out and find some food and some water. Oh. Surfing is done now. It wasn't the best surf session, I would say. I think we both have had some difficulties trying to catch the waves, and like they put us on kind of small boards, so we both struggled a little bit. But for now I think we'll be going out to grab some dinner. There's a restaurant here at the hotel and it's literally in the middle of nowhere, so it's the only place we can go to eat. Now it's day 2 and it's 5:30 a.m. because we're going sunrise surfing at 6, and yeah, we're just getting ready and I'm so tired. It's okay, we're gonna have fun.
Okay, so what I learned from this surfing lesson was 3 things. First thing is that I need to paddle deeper and more focused. When paddling, I need to lift my chest, bend the elbows, and go deep with my hands in the water. Second thing is that I need to pop up even faster, because if I don't, then I lose speed and then I fall behind the wave. I need to put up my back foot, then pop up with the rest of my body and take the hands up immediately. Third thing is that I'm bending too much forward with my body. That makes it hard to turn on the board. Instead, I need to bend my knees, straighten my back, lift the arms, and turn the whole body. So well, it's not that I'm perfect at these things already, but that's what I'm currently practicing.
So now we're back at our villa and my toe is hurting so much and they think it might be like a sea urchin that hit my foot, and the way they get it out is just like taking something hard and then hammering on it, and then I have to wait 20 minutes. And I don't think I have ever screamed so much as when they started hammering my foot, because it's so sore and it hurts. And then when someone starts beating it, oh my god, it was intense. We went down to the beach this morning and we actually didn't get to surf, which I'm okay with, I would say. The waves were really big, so our instructor said that he thought it would be better if we didn't surf. And also we're a little bit exhausted and my toe still hurts a little bit from the sea urchin thing yesterday. So yeah, I think we'll be fine. So we'll probably just be heading home and yeah, enjoy some rest back home.